More often than not, finding the exact location of your signals can be a challenge when you're metal detecting. A good pinpointer will help you zero in on each signal so you can be more efficient in retrieving your finds. We considered features, quality, and value to bring you our picks for the top 5 best metal detecting pinpointers available now. Number 5. Kuman Pinpointer Water Resistant Metal Detector KW30. The Kuman KW30 is a handy, affordable pinpointer that is capable of searching at depths of about 2 to 3.5 inches. It features a stylish design with an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip during use. It can be set up to either beep, vibrate, or both to make sure you don't miss any signals. The end of the pinpointer has been certified IP65 water resistant, so dewy grass or wet earth won't put the unit at risk. In addition, the included waterproof carrying case provides protection for the entire unit. It comes with everything you need to use it without having to put anything together or add extra accessories. Number 4. Bounty Hunter Pinpointer. The Bounty Hunter Pinpointer is a simple and straightforward pinpointer that needs no extra frills to do the job. This unit is well designed with comfort and functionality in mind, with a nice ergonomic handle that is comfortable even during extended use. It is sturdy and well built, so you can trust it to last for many metal detecting adventures to come. The unit is simple to use and accurate as well. Generally, the maximum signal depth is about 1 to 2 inches. When locating a target, the pinpointer will beep and vibrate. Once the battery has depleted, it will alert you that it needs to be charged as well. Number 3. Garrett 1140-900 Pro Pointer AT Waterproof Pinpointing Metal Detector. With its ability to be submerged in water up to 10 feet, the Garrett 1140-900 is perfect for those who detect beaches and riverbanks. Thanks to its bright orange color, it remains easy to see even when underwater. We like that this pinpointer is capable of picking up signals along the entire length of the wand, so you can sweep it over the ground to narrow down the exact location while searching a broader area. This pinpointer is quite sensitive too and can pick up signals at a maximum depth of around 3 inches. You can also choose from 3 sensitivity levels and quickly retune the unit at any time. Number 2. Fisher fpulse Waterproof Pinpointer Metal Detector. If you hunt areas with mineral-rich soil, you're likely tired of getting false positives. The Fisher fpulse Waterproof Pinpointer Metal Detector reduces this issue with a design that works well in soils with high levels of minerals. The pinpointer is also programmable, waterproof, and can be submerged up to 6 feet. It's a simple-to-use machine that is accurate and has a max depth of about 3 to 4 inches. It features both vibration and sound to alert you of a signal as well. Thanks to its durable build and ergonomic grip, it is comfortable and reliable. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Minelab Profind 35 Pinpointer. Well-built, rugged, and durable, the Minelab Profind 35 Pinpointer has a lot going for it. This pinpointer is fully submergible and waterproof to prevent moisture damage when hunting in wet areas. It has 5 sensitivity levels that you can adjust, as well as Ferris Tone ID to help filter out low-quality targets. When you find a target, it will vibrate and make a sound, and in the event that you have dropped or misplaced the pinpointer while using it, it will sound an alarm to help you find it. Still need a little more help deciding on the best pinpointer for your treasure hunting needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.